In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create AI-generated emails in Mailchimp. To begin, open Mailchimp and log into your account. Use your usual sign-in method, and make sure you are entering your details only on the official Mailchimp website. Once you are logged in, you should land on your Mailchimp dashboard. This is the main area where you can manage campaigns, audiences, automations, and email content. Take a moment to make sure you are in the correct account or workspace before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one brand or project. Now that you are on the dashboard, look for the Create button. This button usually appears with a pencil icon, and it is where you start building new items inside Mailchimp. Click the Create button to open the Creation menu. This menu gives you several options, depending on what you want to make. Since the goal is to create an AI-generated email, you will be working inside the email campaign tools. From the Creation menu, select Email. This tells Mailchimp that you want to create a new email campaign rather than another type of content. After selecting Email, Mailchimp may ask you to choose the type of email you want to build. For this tutorial, choose a standard email type, such as regular. A regular email is a good option when you want to send a typical campaign to your audience, and it gives you access to the email builder where the AI layout tools can be used. After you choose the email type, Mailchimp will take you into the Setup and Builder area for the campaign. Depending on your account layout, you may see options for campaign details, recipients, subject line, and email design. Continue into the email builder so you can begin creating the actual content of the email. This is where you will add sections, text, images, and layout blocks to shape the message your subscribers will receive. Inside the email builder, look for the Add option. Click Add to insert a new content block into your email. Content blocks are the building pieces of your email design. They allow you to add different kinds of content, such as text, images, buttons, and columns. In this case, you are using the Add menu because the AI-generated options are available as layout or column choices. Next, select an AI-generated column or layout option. The wording may vary slightly depending on your version of Mailchimp, but you are looking for an option that creates a layout with the help of AI. This feature is useful because it can take your existing content or a link and turn it into a structured email draft. Instead of starting from a blank layout, you can let Mailchimp generate a starting point that you can review and edit. Once you select the AI-generated option, Mailchimp will ask how you want to provide the source content. You can choose Generate from Link if you want Mailchimp to use a URL as the basis for the email layout. This can be helpful when you have a web page, article, product page, or landing page that already contains the information you want to turn into an email. Alternatively, choose Generate from Text if you prefer to paste your own content directly into Mailchimp. This is useful when you already have a draft, announcement, product description, or message that you want AI to organize into a polished email structure. After you choose either the link option or the text option, enter the content you want Mailchimp to use. If you are using a link, paste the URL into the provided field. If you are using text, paste the content into the text area. Keep the source content focused on the message you want the email to communicate. This helps the generated layout stay relevant and easier to edit afterward. When your link or text is ready, click Generate Layout. Mailchimp will then create a draft layout based on the information you provided. Give it a moment to process. The generated result may include arranged sections, suggested text placement, and a structure that fits the content. This draft is meant to be a starting point, so you should always review it carefully before saving or sending. Now review the generated email layout. Read through the text, check the structure, and make sure the content matches your intended message. Customize anything that needs adjustment, such as wording, formatting, section order, or visual elements. The AI can help you move faster, but your review is important to make sure the final email sounds right for your brand and is accurate for your audience. Once you are happy with the layout, click the check mark to save the content block or generated layout. This confirms your changes inside the email builder and adds the AI-generated section to your campaign. From there, you can continue editing the rest of the email if needed, or move on to the next part of your campaign setup. And that is all there is to it. You have now created an AI-generated email layout in Mailchimp using either a link or pasted text as the source.